So, I've been watching the story about Nashville and the flooding. And this is another colossal, epic tragedy. I don't know how else to explain it than that. You know, back in 2006, for my job, I was flown out there to do computer work, because that's what I do, is computers. And basically I was put in charge of a team that we worked on around 4,200 tablet computers, little tablets. It was for sales reps from all across the country. And we met at the, it's called the Gaylord Opryland Resort. And it's a beautiful resort there. It's got acres of indoor plants. It's like a forest inside of it. And I stayed there for about a month. My job paid for me to stay there. And, you know, that was a great time that I had. It was just, I got, you know, everything was paid for. It was all the food that I could eat, all the drinks that I could drink, and they were paying me on top of it. And, you know, I stayed at the resort, and I traveled all around the downtown area. And now I see the pictures of the resort, and it's unbelievable. If you had asked me when I was back in 2006, when I was there for my job, if somebody was to come up to me and say, you know, in a few years, all of this is going to be underwater, I would have said, you're fucking crazy. Never in a million years would this place be underwater. It wouldn't even, you know, it wouldn't even occur to you. I don't know how to fucking describe it. There is just huge things there that I can't believe that the whole place is just underwater. This is probably, you know, just as bad as Katrina. I don't know what else to say about it, but it's terrible. I would have never thought that that place could ever be underwater like it is. And they were showing the video of it on the news, and there was this bridge that I recognized. And the bridge, it's like a bridge going, it's a walkway inside of the resort. And it's pretty tall up. And the water was almost near the top, near the bridge. That is like an incredible amount of water to be able to reach up near there. That's like trees being underwater. A lot of the indoor trees are underwater at that place. I mean, the place is like so big that there was actually a pond, or like a man-made river going through the whole place, and they had a boat ride inside of the place. I mean, there was just all the huge amounts of like exotic fish, koi fish, It was basically like an indoor, you know, like a marshland type of thing. And they have places all around there. Right next to it, there's a huge mall, and then there's the Gaylord, the Opryland. There's like famous historical places around there. They got Parthenon. Just it's the exact replica of the what the Romans built. I cannot believe that that place is underwater like that. Like, not just like, you know, 5 or 6 feet of water, but it looked like a good like 20, 30 feet of water. It's mind blowing. Yeah, it's just, I can't believe it.